Okay, so pre-installation. So this is our version 2 of the HyperX Alpha, etc. headband. This one has changed because it's now magnetic. It has magnetic strips here, which will help stick it to the headband easier. Also, we've added in these two plastic clips, which are going to go on the ends of the headphone, inside the clips, like this, which you'll be shown how to do in the video. The actual installation itself is almost exactly the same, besides obviously adding these two clips. But at the beginning of this video, you see the new headband. When we do, after this point, you're going to see how we remove the old headband. You're probably going to see me talking about that and showing you the old version of our headband. Once it gets into the installation of the new headband, you're going to see this one here. So, okay, we are going to change the headband on this set of headphones, this HyperX set of headphones. This specific set of headphones is a Cloud Alpha wireless set, and the removal of the headband is pretty much the same for most Alpha headsets, but the actual headband itself doesn't necessarily fit all of them. So in the description below of the video, you'll be able to see the confirmed models that this new headband will fit. Now you're going to get a screwdriver, not this exact screwdriver, but there will be a screwdriver in the package that will fit these screws here. And the reason why we want to unscrew these is, like, we're not going to unscrew the clips entirely, because the way HyperX makes their clips, it's really super annoying to put them back together. Like, I mean, like, properly annoying. So what we want to do is we only want to really unscrew maybe 2 or 3 turns, probably 2, I would say. And the reason for that is we want the clip to be a bit loose like that, but doesn't come apart. So if it comes apart, it's annoying, very annoying. So just do 1, 2, that's right, and 1, oops, 1, 2, and that's it. Now to cut the actual headband off, you're going to need a knife or a pair of scissors. I'm going to use scissors. All we want to do is we want to pinch up on the leather so that we can get a piece. So I'm going to, rather than it being flat like that, I'm just going to pinch it up like this so I can cut into it. And then we're going to cut all the way along this, underneath that red stitched headband area, because this is the thin PU leather. So, go like that. Now you want to also make sure that you do it at the front, because as you can see here with the cables at the back, this cable is most likely running up along the back of here. Yep, I can feel it right there. You can feel it if you check it. So you start on the front so you can avoid the cable. So I'm just going to pinch up on that, and right, we have a hole. I'm just going to go around. Right, now once you've done that, the objective now is we want to actually pull on the leather and get this stuff here out of the clip. So we're going to grab the top half here. It's quite, and we're just going to pull it out like that. We're going to finish cutting that off, like so. Go to the other side and we're going to do the same. So you might need to change hands here. You're going to just pull on that, get it out, and cut it off. And there you go. The last part is just the foam here. The foam is just stuck inside with a piece of plastic. You just pull up on the edge, it just pops out, like so.
Monty says, test your headphones now. Scan the QR code or use the link to sign up and test your headphones.
Okay, I'm going to remove the adhesive first. I'm just going to use my fingernail to peel it off. 1, 2. Alright. Very sticky, and you're only going to really get one chance to stick it on here properly. So first thing you want to do is obviously this part here, the part that sticks out, that fits into the plastic here. We're going to actually do this. You can see right here. I want to hold it on the clip so that it's like this, and the metal then pushes away and it creates a bigger gap here. So I don't want to hold it like that because it pushes it back. So I'm holding it specifically like this so it makes that gap that I want. And I'm going to just fit that in there, and it's halfway. You might want to remove the metal adjuster there if it's in the way, because you're going to want to snap it in place. So it's just like that. Now it is pushed down, and you can see it's about halfway on the clear plastic. Right there. Right there. It's about halfway. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it down, and I'm going to just stick it in. And after you do that, you can push it down even a little bit more and try and stick it there. So that one there is in place, and as you can see, it's about halfway. About halfway there, and the adhesive's holding, and this part here is stuck into the gap. And for the second one, right, same thing. I'm going to make sure this cable is not in the way, get this thing out of the way, and I'm going to hold it like this so I create that gap. I'm just going to stick that in and push it down and then stick it. It's sticking in place now, and I'm just going to push down some more and stick it to the metal frame. Right, so go over this one too. Now the adhesive is sticky, but the pressure from the plastic can make it kind of pop up a bit. It's not a huge issue. You just want to go over it and stick it back down again. So I've now applied quite a bit of force. I'd probably say heavy force onto the metal headband, squeezing it with my fingers, and it's in place. So that's kind of like stage 1 done. Now it's just actually putting in the headband itself. So this is a bit tricky, just because the gap is now kind of filled with this plastic. Now the headband, the edge is just material. It's not like a hard plastic. So if you keep trying to smash it into this gap, eventually it will just get kind of like flat and like bulky. So you have to be careful when you do that. You don't want it to do that, because then what happens is it's much harder to get into the gap. Alright, so we have stage 1 done. We have our plastic pieces in place on top of the metal headband. We want our cable underneath, obviously. If you want, you can pull on these cords a bit to straighten it out, but it should be alright. So, attaching the headband. Now, we have our clips that are slightly unscrewed still. We definitely do not want these clips to come apart, so do not unscrew them. They are a super pain in the butt to put back together, excuse me, if you unscrew them. So, the way we're going to attach this is we need this end and this end to go on the top part of here into that little slot, just where the same slot where the plastic piece went into. And the best way to do that is to feed it through. So you want to line it up like that. You want to put this right at the edge, and then you're going to use your fingers. You're going to push down on the very end and you're gonna just feed it in like that. It goes in really easy. So that's in on that side. And now I'm gonna roll this over here. And I'm gonna do the same thing here. Push down and just feed it through. And that one is, whoops, that one bent a bit. Okay. Push down and feed it in. There we go. Now I've got two. So in. Now what you want to do is you want to look at the headband. The edge on one side, so right here, that little edge there, one is slightly bigger than the other one. So if you look at this one, and you look at this one here is slightly bigger. That's the first side you want to fold over, so that this one here, so that one's on the bottom. So we're going to fold that first. Okay, so we folded over the first side of the headband, and now we have the edge of the headband looking like this. Right there, it's sticking out. All we need to do is grab that and pull it up like that, and it flops into the clip. That's what we want. Flip it over to this side here. Do the same thing. Just pull it up, and that edge will flop into the clip. Now we go over to the second side, push that over. You're in the same situation, and you're going to do the same thing. Just pull up, and it goes into the clip. And on the same thing on this side here, pull up straight into the clip. Okay, now the headband, because of the plastic piece we've put in, because of the new headband, and because of this piece of metal that goes in between all that, the edge will feel quite thick and like sturdy. Whereas in the middle, it gets soft because it's just the foam and the headband remaining. So both edges will be quite sturdy. So what you want to do is you want to take your finger, thumb, just poke into the middle of the headband here, and you want to see if there's any like waves in the material. There shouldn't be any, but if there is any, you just have to push down on it and basically push it out to the edge. Now, we want to finalize by tightening the clips. What we want to do is, when we have the actual clip like this, you can see there's a little bit of material sticking into the clip, so we can't have that. We need to have it so that the material is completely away from the clip when we're going to push it together and screw it in. So what we're going to do to sort that out is, when we grip it, we're going to grip it like this. So it's going to be kind of like, you're going to be squeezing the edges here. Let's see. You're going to be squeezing the edges like that, inwards. So you do that with your thumb and your pointing finger like this. Actually, you can do it with your thumb and your middle finger and use your pointing finger to push behind the clip, because we want to have a little bit of force behind the clip when we screw it in. So that's one side screwed in there, and there's nothing in the middle of that clip. And now let's go to this side, and I'm going to do it on the same side. Grip it and like that, because this was just easier for me. And in, and that one's good too. And now this side, we're going to grip it and squeeze it together with our middle finger and our thumb. Put that back there, and we're going to just screw that in. There we go. Same thing here. Go to the bottom screw and screw that in too. Alright, so now that is pretty much in place.